What's up, guys? Today we got a really cool video that we'll get all jacked up about. That's right, Mac's new flyer. As you see right here, flyer number 10, August the 31st through September the 27th. So let's dive into this thing and see what Mac's got on sale. You guys, come on. All right, guys, so here it is, the Mac Tools flyer number 10, and it goes from August the 31st to September the 27th of 2020. Get jacked. They're showing when you buy the Mac jack, you'll get the free jack stands. That'll be on page 7. We'll cover that in just a minute. So let's open this thing up and see what they got on sale. The paint and body locking pliers, they're the 8-piece set for $124.99. We actually showed these on the Mac truck this past Thursday. If you guys haven't seen those, I'll put a card right up here where you can see them. But it is the 8-piece set. You get two 11-inch, two 8-inch, two 6-inch, and two 4-inch C-clamps with swivel pads. Extremely nice plier set. We use these in the shop for welding. Me and Bill both got a set of those, and they come in super handy, especially, you know, just to be able to hold something in place while you get it tacked up. They have the 20-volt drill driver impact combination kit. It comes with the impact, the drill, 2 batteries, charger, and a bag. All that's for $329.99, and they'll throw in free the 38-piece impact accessory set. And it looks like a bunch of bits and a storage box with it and some sockets. So that's a pretty nice kit. You save 35 bucks on the kit. And on this page, you see they have the die grinder deal. I actually have this combo set myself. They're amazing, amazing die grinders for the money. 120 bucks will get you both of them. The right angle will turn at 23.5. and the straight one will turn at 28,000. So them little boogers get it. They work really well. You can't really complain about the price. You're saving 130 bucks on the set. So that's a really good deal in this flyer. And on this page, we have the Anti-Vibe Hammer Bundle. As you see, you get the 3-pound. They call it the drilling hammer. You get the 4-pound sledgehammer. And you get the 2-pound blacksmith hammer. All 3 of those are $138.99. You save $57.98 on them. And what's cool about them, Mac hammers have these 2 rods in there, and that's pretty much, it works like a tuning fork to take the vibration out of whatever you're striking. Pretty cool sets there. Don't mind the dirt and the grease. That was today after work when I flipped through the flyer. And if you need a set of tap and die sets with the wrench bundle kits, this one is for you. You're saving 100 bucks on this combo set. You get the rethread tap and die set with the reversible ratcheting wrench set, which is always handy. It's $364.98. And here's what comes in the rethread and tap and die set. It's 48 pieces. And you get the precision torque reversible ratcheting wrenches free. And it goes from a 1/4 to a 15/16, and it comes in the plastic case that we all love so much. $364.98. That's a really good deal. You'll pay way more than that for the other tool truck just for the rethread kit itself. And on the next page, this is a good deal, $130.99. You're saving 25 bucks off this set. It's the 10-piece 3/8 universal impact socket set, which are 6 points. Runs from a 10 to a 19 on the socket rail. 130 bucks. And on this one, you buy the deluxe compression test kit for $186.99. You're saving $67.99 on that kit, and you get the free 12-volt remote starter with it. Here's cover some of the stuff that comes in this kit if you guys are interested in that. And on the next page, I'm a Ratchet guy. I own this Ratchet. I like this Ratchet. I've showed this Ratchet in videos. This is a good deal because when you consider what you pay for this Ratchet and you're getting the sockets. So keep that in mind. This is $239.98 will get you the 3/8 access locking flex head, the 13-inch comfort grip version, and you get the 14-piece 3/8 drive metric socket set, which are 6-point, always a good thing. 6 to a 19. They're designed to take off 85% rounded fasteners. It comes in a really nice aluminum rail, and I like the way that the Mac does the markings on there. So pretty cool, and they give that little knurling piece at the bottom, which makes it extremely nice to turn when you got it on your Ratchet. The CST Plier bundle set, as you see here, you get the 5-piece, buy the 5-piece set and you get the flush cuts for free. You're saving $46.99. That's a good deal if you guys are looking for a nice set of pliers. Now these aren't the little cheapy ones that, you know, they have a lot of times in the bag deals, you know, that are real flexible. These are actually quality pliers. And down here you get, when you buy the 1/4-inch locking flex head Ratchet for $133.99, you're saving $66.99. You get the free 1/4-inch star socket set for free. So you get the external Torx bits with those, runs from an E4 to an E14. Comes in a little plastic molded case, $133.99. And on this page, you got the Expert Extra Long for extra leverage. Ratchet and wrench on one end, regular box end on the other. 12-piece metric extra long ratchet and wrench set that are a 12-point, 72-tooth gear design with 5-degree arc swing. And it runs from an 8mm to a 19. They're $258.99. You're saving 50-some millions off that set. And here's what's on the front cover. You get the free jack stand set with the purchase of a jack. It's a 3.5-ton extra low service jack and 3-ton jack stand sets for $359. It's normally $544.98, so you're saving $84.99. They come in green, orange, and red. Here it talks about the jacks a little bit. They're low profile, long reach arm, and 1.5 strokes. Quick to load pump design allows you to contact your lift point in less than 1.25 stroke for a height of 11 inches. So rapid pump jack, it's always nice to have. Pretty cool set right there. And on this page, limited quantity. That must mean it's a really good deal. 6-piece precision plier set, $189.99. You save 21 bucks on those. High leverage dikes, high leverage end cutting pliers, high leverage long needle nose, snap nose pliers, slip joint pliers, tongue and groove pliers. So there you go. $189. No dipstick, no problem. There's plenty of dipsticks in this world, but it may not be the one you're looking for, and Mac's got you covered. Right here, the 10-piece ATF refill adapter set. Allows for refilling the transmissions not equipped with a dipstick tube where a standard funnel could be utilized. It comes with the most common adapters for the European Honda, Nissan, and Ford vehicles. It's $69.99, save 32 bucks. That's a dipstick you wouldn't mind having around. Convenient comfort, creeper comfort and convenience. Whew, I need to learn how to read. $134.99, save 20 bucks on that. It's the toolbox 3-drawer creeper seat. Pretty nice little set right there. And we're gonna go over here where they're talking about the Edge Toolbox new expanded color schemes. A good looking blue and the green and the red. 27, 41, or 54-inch workstation and chest. Talk to your Mac guys to find out the price on that. It's probably a really good deal, especially since they got them in the flyer. talk to me about your Mac credit or however you need to be able to buy you a toolbox if you decide to jump up to a real big boy toolbox. And the RBRT, we all love them, cannot live without them. They have the 12-piece RBRT Advanced Long Triple Square Driver Set for $249.99, saving $28 off that set. It's a 12-piece set. M4 to M10, a M12 to a M14, a M16, and a M18. And we got the 12-piece RBRT Impact Triple Square Drivers, M4 through a M10, M12 through a M14, M16, and a M18. They're $199.99, save $16 off those. Ooh, now we get into the good stuff, because right here, that's one of my favorite RBRT things. Here is the RBRT Extractor set. As you can see, these are the ones without the foreign object removal tool. And here's the ones with them. You can see the collar, the way it works. If you're not familiar with those, I did a video on those where Dan demonstrated those. I'll put a card right here at the top. These things, they are the cat's meow. But the ones without the foreign object removal are $159.99. It's a 7-piece set, sizes 1 through 7. You're saving $15 off this set. And here are my favorite ones. I understand a lot of times you may, get to a spot where this may be in the way. I don't know really why you would purchase these over these, but I'm sure somebody will leave a comment and let me know exactly why. But anyway, I prefer these. They work great. That is the 7-piece RBRT Extractor set with foreign object removal. Like I say, check that card up there at the top. You can learn how those work. These extractors are worth every single penny that you'll spend on them. I will put money that those are the best extractors made today. Here's the $249.99 set. You're saving $18. It's the 14-piece 3/8 RBRT metric and standard long impact hex driver bits. Right here, your sizes 1/8 to 3/8 and 4mm through 8mm. Skip the 9, 10, skip the 11, and you got the 12. So you're saving a little bit of money on some tools that you need, because those are the best. Like, nobody can compete with that, with the extractors or the RBRT stuff. And let's look at the Diagnostic bundle. Buy the scan tool and get the other tools for free. You'll have to see your dealer for the pricing. As you see, that is the Scout. And it comes with the multimeter and the battery starter and charging system tester. And included now with all Mac software on this kit, you will get the repair source that comes free with the standard subscription. So it will help you diagnose the problem and see what the typical top fixes are, and all the technical service bulletins, OEM wirings. I mean, it's a lot of stuff that you get with that. Super cool. I want to demo a Mac scanner. I think it'll be a really good video for you guys, because there's just not a lot going on with Mac scanners. So I think that'd be a pretty cool video. And torque wrenches. I'm going to throw this out there right now and lay it on the table. My favorite torque wrench is hands down the split beam torque wrench. Never needs batteries. You don't have to worry about the batteries going dead or no corrosion. These things are awesome. They're super accurate. That is my favorite torque wrench, hands down. Matthew Cox got me hooked on the split beams. I used the click style. After I started using the split beams, I've never wanted to go back. I do own some digital torque wrenches, but these are hands down my go-to torque wrench. I love them. Anyway, enough about my love affair with the split beam torque wrenches. We'll move on to what they got for sales. The 1/2-inch micrometer adjustable torque wrench, 50 to 200 foot-pounds. And it's $336.99. There you go. You see it right there. Save $53. And my favorite of all, the split beam, the 1/2-inch split beam torque wrench, 40 to 250 foot-pounds, $324.99. Yeah, saving $75. Of course, they do all come with the blow molded cases. And there's the part number on that if you guys are interested. That is an excellent torque wrench, and it's cheaper than the click style. So you should just go ahead and buy the split beam, because That's the way to go. Way to go. Easier to turn the knobs. You don't have to worry about seeing those tiny numbers. You don't have to pull that little silly collar back. You flip this down, you twist the knob, you set it on the dial, you're good to go. It's much more comfortable in the hand, thinner body. I mean, I could go on and on why this is a superior torque wrench. And you have the 1/2 inch round head, flex head, click style, 30 to 250 foot-pounds torque wrench for $333.99. You're saving $66 on that. Design places less stress on individual components so wrenches last and stay calibrated longer. That explains the funny look to it. It's definitely a different design. I'd like to see one of those in person. If you guys have any experience with this torque wrench, let me know, because that's kind of a cool design, and I could kind of see where it's talking about that, but that's still my go-to. That's kind of like chocolate milk on a Sunday morning. It don't get no better than that. And the swag. Mac's always got the killer swag, as you guys can see. We'll go over this real quick here with some of the hats. I'm still a fan of this hat and that hat. I like the plain color schemes. It looks really good. It's clean. There's the hats. And Mac's always got the coolest shirts. They do a really good job with their shirt designs and all of that good stuff. And on this page, you can see they got some hoodies out. We'll all be looking forward to those in a couple more months. Some flannels. Pretty nice stuff. I like this shirt. Eat Sit. That's really nice. That's a cool mechanic type shirt if you guys are looking for something like that. And some more swag. And this one, some jackets and quarter zips. Pretty nice stuff. Some kid stuff. Some girl stuff. And over here, this stuff is cool. The little turbo Bluetooth speaker is pretty sharp. It's a neat little thing. They got a cool dartboard, neon clock, and a die-cast Chevrolet C10 truck, wireless earbuds, and Corona mask. Mechanics belts, kids toy play sets, all kind of good stuff there. And for the ladies, they got some clearance stuff here. You can be slouchy in a pullover. You can have a hotchie tie in the front. You can be cool and throw on this blanket and it will help you out. And if everybody's getting on your nerves, they even give you the out with a piston shot glass. Can't beat that, guys. Something for everybody right there in the clearance section. And on the last page, it comes with a 2-piece oil cooler set. That's a 3/8 and a half for the Ford oil cooler lines. There kind of explains what they're used for. The 3/8 for 03 and above, Ford V8, and the 04 and later F-150 and the Cadillac SCS use the 1/2 inch for the Super Duties, blah, blah, blah. But that is $39. It's got its feature there. If you want to be your own Mac guy, you want to own your own Mac franchise and do your own thing, you want to be the cool tool guy, right there you go. Call Mac at, where's the number? It's on here somewhere. Maybe it's not. I guess you do it online now. You used to could call the Mac number, and I'm sure if you do call the Mac phone number, they'll still talk to you about being a franchisee. But anyway, guys, that is the video. That's it. Get jacked. Talk to your Mac dealer if you want any of these cool deals and sale prices or cool swag. Like always, thanks for watching this video. Appreciate the guys that watched all the way to the end. Like always, if you like it, hit that thumbs up, merchandise, cool tools, discount codes, and click that subscribe button. So we got to get back to work. Y'all guys have a good one, and we'll catch you later.